All right, find an indicated ratio. So it says if cosine of theta is 4 over 9, so adjacent over hypotenuse, with my angle ending in quadrant 1, what is sine of theta? Okay. So it's saying that it's in quadrant 1, so this is quadrant 1, so there's my triangle. My cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. I need to find what sine is. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I guess opposite squared. So this is 16 minus from 81. So minus the 1 is 80, minus 10 is 70, so 65. So this will be the square root of 65. So the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so the sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So if sine of theta is 5 over 13 and it's in quadrant 2, what is cosine theta? So it's in quadrant 2. What is my cosine theta? So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have this a squared plus b squared equals c squared thing going on. So I need to find what my x is, and it's going in the negative direction, right? So eventually it's going to be negative, but so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's 169. That's 25 minus 25. So that's what, 144? So that's 12, but it's negative 12 because it's going in the negative direction. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. If sine of theta equals negative 2 over 3, it's in quadrant 3. So here's quadrant 3. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that's 4, that's 9, so that's 5. So that's going to be the square root of 5, and it's going in the negative direction, so it's going to be negative. So my cosine value is adjacent over hypotenuse. Don't let, if it's square roots, don't let it fool you. Theta between pi halves and pi. So remember, this is 0, this is pi halves, this is pi. So if I'm rotating and it's between pi halves and pi, that means it's going to be in quadrant 2. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Whoops. So opposite over hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this is 4 times 5, so that's 20. Because the square goes to the 2, which is 4. The square root, multiply them together because they're already being multiplied. That's 25 minus the 20. So that's going to be 5, but it's going in the negative direction, so it's negative. So cosine of theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, which is negative 1. Oh, wait.